Okay. Okay, so number 10. So 18x to the 8th over 2y to the 10th divided by 81 x to the 5th over 6y to the 6th. Okay, so what do we do with that divide? Change to times and flip the one on the right. So it becomes 6y to the 6th over 81x to the 5th times, like that. We just make it multiply, flip the one on the right, change to times. Now you guys know what to do from here, right? Cross reduce, cross cancel. Cross cancel whatever we can. Can you finish that one up? Cross cancel, now that we have those letters. So I'm going to divide top and bottom by 9. Leaves a 2, leaves a 9. I'm going to go 2 into 6 3 times. Is that good to there so far? Can I do more reduction? Yeah, I can go 3 into 9 now. Everybody see what I'm doing? Or you can take it slower if you want. No, I might as well go 3 into 9 3 times. What's left on the top is a 2. What's left on the bottom is a 3. So it's 2 over 3. And then for the x's and the y's, just subtract the powers, right?
Well, I have a question on that.
Yeah.
Because my question is different. All the x's are on the bottom.
Okay.
And all the y's are, so I actually have to
Add them.
I just add them.
Yeah. When they're side by side, you add the powers, huh? When they're vertical, you subtract the powers. Exactly. So I'm going to subtract the x's, the x to the third's on the top, subtract the y's, y to the fourth on the bottom. We're done. Everybody okay with all that reduction, that cross-canceling stuff? Right, I went 2 into 6 3 times and divide both these by 9. Good. All right. So x squared plus 2x minus 48 over x squared plus 3x minus 4. I'm just going to flip the one on the right now. Just flip the one on the right, change to times. So x squared minus 5x minus 36 on the top, x squared plus 12x plus 32 on the bottom. Okay, so that's like 4 factoring problems, isn't it? So I'll give you a second. Go ahead and factor ahead of you with the factoring thing here. So you got to factor a bunch of multiply, add. You get in the hang of the multiply, add thing. Is that good? All factored? And then just cancel away anything that matches. X plus 8s, x plus 4s, x minus 6s. All we're left with is x minus 9 over x plus 9. Is that good? Is that okay? Getting more comfortable with factoring? Any questions on any of those? I just did them all real quick, but I do this day in, day out all the time. So can I answer anything? Is that okay with all that factoring, the multiply add thing that I did for all those? Sign in the middle always goes on the bigger, huh? On that. You good with that? Yeah.
So, I mean, I always kind of get stuck with the foiling,
Uh-huh.
like on the second, x squared minus 5x minus 36.
Yeah.
Is there like a shortcut to find out what multiplies to equal that, and then also?
So I just, here's what I do. I look at the 36, and it's multiply add. So I think, what times what's 36? So you either know your times tables in your head, or use it on the calculator, whatever. You come up with, well, 36 is 6 times 6, or 4 times 9. Which of those could somehow make a minus 5? The 4 and the 9. It's like, oh, it's got to be 4 and 9. Now, how do I know the signs? The sign in the middle always goes on the bigger. So the minus goes on the 9. Yeah, make sure you know that rule for today's test. Sign in the middle goes on the bigger. So the 9 gets the minus, the sign in the middle, and the other one's plus.
I think that's what I should do is write them out, because I always get stuck and it takes me forever.
Yeah.
It's a lot of time.
What do you mean, like write them out? Like what?
Like what you just did?
Oh, right up here on the side like this?
What would work, yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Because I'm
Yeah.
sitting here like, trying to do it on my head and I
Sure, yeah, if that helps you, go ahead and write that down.
Why did you eliminate for cross cancel x plus 4?
Remember, up and down's okay. Straight up and down's okay, and diagonal. Anything top to bottom. It doesn't matter if it's straight or diagonal. If it's from the top and the bottom, boom. Straight up and down or diagonal. Top and bottom cancel. That good? Jeremy, what was that one you were working on? Was that number 4? The one I was just looking at with the D's?
Oh, no, that was number 11.
What was number 11? This same section?
Yeah.
Number 11. Okay. Eight r to the 6 b to the third over 21 r squared. I'm just going to flip it right now. Flip the one on the right and change to times. 4r squared b cubed over 3r b squared. Yeah, try that one. You know, the easy way to go, let me give you a hint right now, is just to total the things. Like look at the r's, for example. I would just say, what are the total r's on the top? What are the total r's on the bottom? We have r to the 6th and r to the 2nd. We have r to the 8th on the top. We have r to the 2nd and r to the 1, r to the 3rd on the bottom. They're going to subtract and be r to the 5th on the top in the end. So everybody see, so side by side you add them, vertical you subtract them. Right? See what I did in the r's? I just said, look, 6 and 2 is 8, 2 and 1 is 3. Now subtract them, r to the 5th on the top. Done with the r's. See that? Do the same thing with the b's now. Total the b's in the top, total the b's in the bottom, subtract them. Wherever the bigger's in the top or the bottom, that's where the leftovers end up. And then cancel the numbers in the front. Hey, there's no canceling the numbers, huh? The 8 and the 4 on the top, the 21 and the 3 on the bottom, nothing cancels in those numbers. So you just multiply the ones on the top. 4 times 8 is 32, and multiply the ones on the bottom. 3 times 21 is 63. That good? Nothing cancels. Nothing reduces. So now subtract the powers. What happens with the b to the 6th over b to the 6th? Now, like Jose says, gonzo, bye-bye b to the 6th. It's out of 0, none, no b's at all. The r's subtract, and we're left with r to the 5th on the top. And we're done right there.
Did you do number 12 on this?
No, I skipped 12. I can check with you later.
Okay.
Is that good? Does that make sense?
Number 12 basically just turns into what we were doing 6.5. Because you'll be flipping it, so it'll be multiplication, but it turns out exactly like 6.5.
Was it? I mean, I could just do it. Probably don't have time to like go slow, but I can just whip it quick out there. Is everybody okay with this one? Does it make sense? So number 12. 7z minus 63 over 9. Flip the one on the right. 33 on the top. Z minus 9 on the bottom. Now, this guy's got to be factored. GCF. So take 7 out of that guy. Take 7 out right there. Z minus 9 over 9. Z minus 9 like that. And then z minus 9's cancel. Like that. Yeah, divide by 3. Divide by 3 leaves an 11, leaves 3. And so we're left with 7 times 11, so 7 over 3. That good? All right, well, we will stop there. We finished a little early, that's good. Only 5 minutes early, huh? You want to get a drink, take a bathroom break or something like that, and I'll hand you the test in 5 minutes. Exam number 5.